Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Combustion reactions can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's compare the thermal energy released by these two different fuel samples right now.
First, calculate the moles for each sample. For ethine, 52 grams divided by 26 grams per mole gives us exactly 2 moles. We need this value to find the total heat. Next, look at the energy. 2 moles of ethine release 2,600 kilojoules. For butane, 58 grams is 1 mole, which releases half of 5,800, totaling 2,900 kilojoules. Since 2,900 is greater than 2,600, butane releases more energy. This makes option D the correct choice for our final answer today.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps carefully.